Hello student, please like and subscribe my channel. We are dealing with aldehyde and ketones and their different addition reaction. Here question MCQ question asked in IIT and different medical exams also. SCHO, that is formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, this is acetophenone, this is acetone. These four options are given which will undergo nucleophilic addition reaction readily. So here with NaHSO3, that is sodium bisulfite. Now SCHO is smaller, H is present with CHO, it will undergo. CH3CHO is smaller CH3 group, it will undergo. Here C6H5COCH3, in this case when this benzene ring is resonance stabilized with carbonyl carbon. Okay, this positive charge is roaming over here and there, and this carbonyl carbon and this carbon benzene ring carbon is having double bond with it. That is why it is less available for this nucleophilic addition with NaHSO3. So it will not undergo nucleophilic addition with NaHSO3. Clear to you? So sterically inner as well as resonance. Most of the time we will say carbonyl carbon is in resonance with the benzene ring. Okay, this is as in the reasoning and assertion also. Only this option, resonance option, is correct. Other options, steric hindrance option, is not work with well with this. Okay, acetone to smaller group are attached to carbonyl group. Yes, of course it will give. So these three will give aldol this addition reaction, but C6H5COCH3 does not undergo nucleophilic addition reaction of NHS. So 3, sodium bisulfite, which does not react with sodium bisulfite. See here, very tricky one. CH3CHO ETC double bond O ET, that is diethyl ketone. Here methyl ethyl ketone. Here benzyl methyl ketone. So here option is this ET group COCH3 and ET. This is bulky group and this will not undergo this nucleophilic addition reaction very readily. But CH3COET, yes, this is a smaller group, it will undergo. From this side it will undergo. Now benzyl acetone, benzyl methyl acetone, this will also undergo because this addition reaction. Why it is so? Because this benzene ring is not in conjugation with carbonyl group. In first case we have seen that C6H5COCH3, C6H5COCH3, this benzene ring is in conjugation with double bond O, carbonyl carbon. So it will not undergo nucleophilic addition reaction, but benzyl methyl ketone undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Clear to you? So bisulfite ion, it is a bigger ion. Okay, so it will search the smaller alkyl groups. So this is a smaller alkyl group. Okay, so this will undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Clear to you? And this will also ethyl methyl ketone also undergo. This is 2-butanone, this is pentane 3-one. Okay, this will not